In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a sound on iPhone. This process can be very useful, whether you're looking to personalize your phone with a custom ringtone or simply want to save an audio file for later use. Let's start with the first method, which is downloading a ringtone from Apple. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. This app is typically represented by a gear icon and can be found on your home screen. Once you tap on it, you'll see a variety of options that allow you to customize your device. This is an important step because the Settings app is where all sound-related adjustments are made. Next, tap on Sounds and Haptics. This section is dedicated to managing sound settings, including ringtones, alerts, and vibrations. You'll notice a list of options related to sound and touch feedback. This is where you'll find the controls necessary for downloading and setting your desired ringtone. Now, tap on Ringtone. This option will take you directly to all your current ringtones. Here you can see your existing selections and also find new ones available for download. It's crucial to navigate to this step as it leads you to the store where new ringtones can be acquired. Next, tap on Tone Store. This action will redirect you to the Apple Tone Store, where you can browse a wide variety of ringtones. The store features both popular and unique options, ensuring you can find something that suits your style. By accessing the Tone Store, you open up a world of possibilities for customizing your ringtone experience. From here, browse or search for the ringtone you want. You can scroll through categories or use the search bar to find something specific. This step matters because it allows you to personalize your iPhone with sounds that truly represent you. Once you've found the ringtone, purchase and download it. You'll be guided through the payment process, so be sure to follow the prompts. After the purchase, the ringtone will automatically download to your device. This is an important moment as it ensures your new sound is ready for use. If prompted, select it as your ringtone. This step will set your new ringtone immediately, making it easy to enjoy your selection. You will receive a confirmation that your ringtone is now active. Now let's move on to downloading an audio file from the web. First, open Safari, which is your default web browser. You can find the Safari icon on your home screen, represented by a compass. Opening Safari is essential as it will allow you to navigate to the website hosting the audio file. Go to the website that hosts the sound file you wish to download. Make sure this site is trustworthy to avoid any issues. Once on the site, look for the download link or button associated with the audio file. This is a crucial step as it will lead you to the actual file you want to save. After that, tap the download link or button. This action initiates the download process. If prompted, tap Download to confirm your choice. Confirmation ensures that you are intentional about saving this audio file to your device. Next, open the Files app. This app is where all your downloaded files are stored. You can find it on your home screen, represented by a blue folder icon. Accessing the Files app is key to retrieving the audio you just downloaded. Go to Browse, then select Downloads to find the downloaded sound file. Here you will see all files that you have recently downloaded. This organization makes it easy to locate what you need. Note that downloaded audio files are typically saved to the Downloads folder in the Files app. If you want to use a downloaded sound as a ringtone, it must meet Apple's ringtone requirements or be converted into a compatible ringtone format. This step is important as it ensures your audio will work seamlessly with your device.